Hello, this is Diana with WTI, and this brow henna has my eyebrows looking amazing. It's a powder dye for your eyebrows made by Parallel Products. Let me tell you about it. This product is very easy to use. All you gotta do is just mix the dye powder with some water. You mix it until you get like a good consistency, like yogurt. Then you apply it on your eyebrows. And then after 10 minutes, that's when you can wipe it out, remove the dye with either a wet cotton ball or just a wipey. And then you will have very beautiful eyebrows for a long-lasting color. I really recommend this product. This is my point of view.